We all know that quality sleep affects a person's health, productivity, and mood. In this video, I will not talk about the benefits of healthy sleep, but will give practical tips on how to make it as effective as possible. Before going to bed, it is important to prepare the brain for rest as much as possible. Any consumption of content or information can lead to nervous system arousal, making it difficult to fall asleep. Even if you fall asleep, the sleep may be of poor quality, and in the morning you will feel that you did not get enough sleep. Try not to eat 3 hours before bedtime. If you eat late, your body will be busy digesting food instead of resting. As a result, instead of a cheerful morning state, you will wake up tired, as the body has been working all night. Remove all irritants from the room, excess light, noise, and other distractions. The bed should be comfortable, a favorite pillow, a comfortable mattress. If you sleep in an uncomfortable bed and feel uncomfortable, quality sleep is out of the question. Take 30 minutes before bedtime to do things that help you relax and prepare for bed. It can be a walk in the fresh air or a hot shower that relaxes the muscles. It is important to take actions that lead to calmness. This way it will be easier for you to fall asleep. Why exactly 7 o'clock? This is the optimal time that suits most people. Of course, this is individual. Someone needs 6 hours and someone needs 8. However, 7 hours is the golden mean, convenient for most. Your task is to find the amount of sleep that is right for you. Put these tips into practice, and you will see how your life will improve. See you soon.